Hello, Professor. This project is a continuation of my project 1. When the machine is started up, everything works automatically. When there's an emergency on the system, emergency stop is pressed, everything stops, and a blinking red light notifies emergency. When the emergency is removed, everything starts up automatically again. This machine I have introduced timers on my vertical and horizontal cylinders such that there is no damp when a part is being transported from one point to another. This project also has two analog sensors. The set points of these sensors are being collected directly from the HMI as imputed in the part height, which is seen here as 275, and the required pressure, which is seen here as 120. These parameters are being calibrated in the machine, and the previous part is being displayed under the previous part height, and the previous pressure is being displayed under the previous pressure height. Current, pressure, and current part height are also being displayed on the HMI accordingly. When a good press is pressed, green indicator indicates a good press, blue indicator indicates a good part. When the machine is due for maintenance or the number of presses has been exceeded or 80% of the number of presses being set by the operator has been exceeded, the yellow indicator light indicates to the operator that this machine needs to be serviced. If the operator still continues running the machine, and 100%, that is the number of times that the operator has imputed that the press must complete before service is being exceeded, the red, which is the PBB, comes up telling the operator that this machine needs maintenance. Now, when a part is low, as I simulated a short while ago, the gray indicator indicates to the operator that the part is low, and it's a blinking light. When the part is loaded, the gray indicator stops indicating. At the end of a shift, the operator collects his parameters through the previous part and the previous part height and the previous pressure, and he resets the machine using the shift end service reset button. Every parameter gets resetted on the machine. On this system too, I have also imputed cycle time, the time it takes for the press to press and the time it takes for the part to be picked and dropped on the conveyor. They are all recorded on the HMI. The gray blinking light is here. The red maintenance now light is also here. Let me load the pallet. And that is it. Thank you, Professor.